Hello and welcome to Mark's Woodworking Challenges. I'm Mark, your host, and today we have a unique challenge to describe. As you may or may not have realized, I have been off the air for 2 to 3 years by now, quite a while, and I thought I would take just a minute to explain why. I have been blessed by access to another shop. I really love my new shop, but this new shop has two problems. Problem number one is it has nice cathedral ceilings, but those cathedral ceilings make the sound quality bad. It really sucks. It gives a lot. Whenever I try to do a video in the new shop, you get a lot of echo and reverberation, or whatever it is you call it. I don't know what it is, but the sound quality is bad. It's bad even by my pretty low standards, and at the end of the day, it's just unacceptable. I've tried different microphones to fix it and have not really been satisfied by anything yet. It's one of those situations, not unlike what you would find in woodworking, where I don't want to just buy one new thing after another in hopes that I find something that works. So I haven't tried a huge number of different microphones, but so far, no luck. Second problem is, and it's not a problem for woodworking, it's great for woodworking, and that is the new shop has lots of windows, great natural light, but all that natural light coming in basically makes it hard to do a video. You have to try to figure out some place in the shop where it's not coming in behind you, but coming in front of you. And well, it's just been hard to deal with. This is a fixable problem. I had some success by filming at night, but it's just not. It's another problem that I have to deal with, and so that has also lowered my enthusiasm for doing videos in the new shop. So what to do about it? I'm still working on it. I still want to do videos and grow this channel, but given that I'm spending a lot of time in the new shop, I have to figure out a solution, and all I can say is I'm still working on it. You might say, well, I could just build a studio, and yes, I could do that. However, that starts to make this channel sound a lot like work, and I'm retired. I'm not supposed to be working, so there you have it. Any rate, I'm here in the old shop for a while, and I thought I would crank out a few videos on subjects that I have been really wanting to do a video about for quite some time. So stay tuned. Couple 3 new videos coming up, and so without further ado, we'll see you next time on Mark's Woodworking Challenges.